Just a few thin clouds overhead and, well, no, some not so thin. So we'll call it a mostly to partly cloudy sky at present. All the showers, though, associated with our big area of low pressure well off to our north. And I think we should stay fairly dry throughout the course of the day. There is a little bit of instability coming our way. May spark off a shower down over the Cape and the islands, but any activity should be limited. That cold front, though, means business. Look what's going on to the north. Temperatures in the 50s. See all that blue up there? That's where our air is coming from, not back this way. This kind of tries to climb the ladder and then hits the old block and never really gets a chance to move in here. So we're talking about some temperatures that are running about or just below average for the next several days, as a matter of fact. As the cool air pours in behind our cold front, those winds cranking up 20 to 30 miles per hour with some gusts perhaps up near 40 miles per hour. For tomorrow, it's another cool, fairly busy day out there in terms of the winds. 1 or 2 showers up into New Hampshire. I think they'll be a bit more numerous the farther north you head, on up into Maine as well. And 1 or 2 of those showers may bleed down toward Route 2, but most of us should stay dry again for tomorrow as a weak disturbance comes through. And the theme is generally cool temperatures for the coming days. Either side of, well, we'll call it the lower 70s today, and that will happen around midday, and then temperatures start to slide off later on this evening. So definitely take along the sweatshirt if you're heading out for a beach picnic or anything like that. It will turn noticeably cooler later on. Water temperatures running in the upper 50s, lower 60s. UV index will be very high. We'll have temperatures about 68 to 72 degrees. Our next high tide, we're coming off high tide right now. The next one comes in just after 6 o'clock this evening. As for tomorrow, 70s, that's about it. And the winds still fairly blustery as well. Let's take a look at it on your 7-day forecast. The gusty winds for today, breezy with a shower north for tomorrow. And then for Tuesday through Thursday, I'll tell you what, it looks like temperatures again will be sitting in the 50s and 60s out there, 60s and 70s out there. As we climb through the day. So temperatures, again, very comfortable for most of this week. We stand a chance of maybe coming close to 80 degrees on Wednesday. Aside from that, looks very dry for the entire week ahead.